Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of more on Microsoft Windows 2007. Yeah children, this Microsoft Windows is a word processor which mainly helps us to create some sort of a documents with a professional outlook, and also it also provides some sort of a features, and also it can modify the text, and also it gives the best appearance of the text, and also gives some sort of an option to preview certain documents before printing it. Let me move to the topic of copying formatting to another selection children. This format painter tool is used to copy some sort of a effects with some sort of a text to the another set of a selection. Select the text with the formatting we want to copy, and also we can click on the format painter button in that clip art itself or clipboard itself, and also we can have some sort of a group on the home tab. The pointer also changes the brush shape, and also it can apply some sort of a copied format by selecting the text, and also we can click on it. The formatting attributes of previous text can be also applied to this new tab. Let me see applying the subscript and superscript effect. This subscript option places the selected text slightly, and also below the baseline it makes the appear of smaller than rest of the text children. And also it can have some sort of a option places on the selected text slightly above the baseline itself. Firstly we are going to type M2 and select 2, and also we are going to click the font dialog box and launcher on the home tab, and also we can click the superscript checkbox under the effects section. Then directly we should click on OK button, and notice that 2 will be placed above the line itself of normal printed text, and here you can see that the 2 is placed in the normal printed text itself. Similarly we can change the formatting effects to the subscript. Let me move to the topic of finding the text. How do we find particular word or a phrase in the correct document? Then we have to follow this type of steps. Firstly we are going to click on find button in the editing group on the home tab itself, and icon appears, and also we have to select the find option on the menu, and then we are going to select this find option, and find what box can be typed that you want to search, or in this document you can search. And also you are going to click the more button, and we are going to select some set of options that we require. Then we are going to click the find next button, and the pointer will move to the next to the word, and also the text will be highlighted directly. Clear children? After finishing we can search the word displays a message directly, and the word has finished searching the document. Then we can click on OK. Let me move to the topic of replacing the text. How do we replace? The word offers a facility to search particular word and replace the new word. To replace the text we should firstly see the procedure. Firstly we have to click the replace button, and then we are going to edit the group of the home tab. Then it find that the box type and also the text we want to search for. In the replace box we should type the text that which should replace by search a text, and also by clicking on the more button to select the other options we can require. If you want we can have some sort of a requirements. You can see here type the text to be replaced. Whatever the text we want to replace, you have to write that text on that, and also you should mention which type of text to be searched and replaced with the which name. Clear children? Let me see that the home formatting, this is the page formatting. You can format this page by creating the header and footer. Header and footer are used to place the important set of a information on the top and bottom of the every page respectively. Here you can see header and footer, and also we can include the title, chapter headings, dates, page numbers, author name can be inserted in this session. And also you can see that the header and footer buttons are found in the header and footer groups of the insert tab itself. By clicking on the header button, select the edit header, and also you can built in dialog box, and we are going to follow the same manner the footer option even. A design tab will appear on the ribbon, and you are going to find some sort of a header box, and then we are going to dotted lines on the top of the page. By clicking on the header or footer box, and then we are going to type whatever we want. For example, Kips Publishing World on the left side, and also we can press the tab key twice. By the insertion of the point, it is directly going to jump to the right side. Then we can click on date, time, and also set of a insert groups on the design tab itself. Then we should choose what are the date and time should format, and then we have to click on OK button. By clicking on this footer button and select the editor footer option, the footer box will appear at the bottom of the page. We can observe that the insertion point on the top on the left side of the footer box. Then we are going to press on the tab key, and the insertion point will be jumping to the center of the page itself. By clicking on the page number, if you check the footer and header groups of the design tab, we are going to choose the format. By clicking again on this button, we can choose and click on the format page numbers option itself, and also we are going to select the required format from the dialog box. Then click on the close button on the design tab to close the header or footer tools. Here children, I hope that everyone understood the topic of MS Word 2007, copying, formatting to another selection, and also applying subscript and superscript, finding the text, replacing the text, and also creating header and footer. Thank you. Have a nice day.